What's up, YouTube? Got a new one for you. The bus is, I actually cleaned in here. Now it's getting dirty with crap again, but I scored a bunch of these. These are seat backs that went on the non-school buses or the school buses prior to 1977. These came out of a 91 Thomas ER prison bus. And I think they look cool. So, what have I done? Got 4 rows done. So basically what I'm going to have to do to mount these, I get them lined up as best I can. And then I put these two top screws in because they go straight through wood. Once I do that, then I have to drill the side holes out. Now I'm not putting the bottom screws in just because I don't think it's necessary right now. But have to go in and drill the rest of the holes, and that way they mount to the seats. But it looks pretty good, and you know, I have good seat foams in here, really good seat foams. So this kind of compresses the back seat foam, but it just looks cool. It's kind of neat seeing the Thomas logo on the back of the seats. Haven't done these seats yet, but I've got a whole big pile right there. As for the one up front, what I'm going to do is cut the bottom of it off and put it here, because I think that would just look really sick walking in and you see the Thomas logo. So anyway, more to come. All right, so we got the last ones in. So every seat back going up front now has the Thomas backs on it. The front one does not. Instead, when you walk in the bus, this is what you're greeted with. So it's not perfect, but it's not meant to be perfect because this bus is not perfect, but it definitely looks really, really cool. So anyway, tell me what you guys think. I know this is very, very, very old school, but it definitely looks really neat. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.